Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Tom in Washington on this RCI-2995DXCF. Tom, we got y'all done, bud. Tune alignment, clarifier mod per your request. This thing turned out rather nicely. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. We set it up where it'll turn down to 5 watts, Tom. So if you're going to end up running an amplifier, you know, a 6-pill, 8-pill, whatever, you have full adjustability. And 40 watts all the way up. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. 77, 78 birds, somewhere in that neighborhood. 250 watt slug in PEP. And around 175 PEP. Alrighty, Tom, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bop bop.